Hello viewers, I welcome you all to your own channel Korobida as the Educator. Today we'll learn how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. So we have taken the question, divide x cube minus thrice x square plus 5x minus 3 by x square minus 2. So first let me tell you, whenever you are asked to divide a polynomial by another polynomial, in that case you have to write the dividend. As all of you know, this is said to be dividend, this is divisor by which we are dividing, this is divisor, and whatever answer we will be getting, that will be quotient, and whatever we get, that will be the remainder. Right? Now you have to check first whether the dividend is in its standard form or not. Standard form meaning is what? Whether the polynomial is in decreasing order of powers or not. So here x cube power is 3, then after that 2, then after that 1, then this can be written as x power 0, right? So this is already in standard form. So that one first we have to check. Now how to divide? So here you just see, as the first term in the dividend is x cube and first term in the divisor is x square. Now to get x cube, we have to multiply x square by x. Then it will be x cube. And this x we have to multiply by minus 2. Then we'll get minus twice x. Now some of you might be thinking, from where we have got this x? Very simple. To get this, how to get this number, I'll show you if you cannot do directly. This first term of the dividend x cube, you divide by first term of the divisor, that is x square. All of you know how to divide a polynomial by another, so answer will be x. So this x we have written here. Clear? So you can do like this also, x square minus 2, that means you have to multiply by x. What will get? X into x square will get x cube minus twice x. But be careful, this is minus twice x. So this minus twice x you have to write below the like terms. So these two are the like terms. You are not going to write below this x square, because x minus thrice x square and minus twice x, these two are not like terms, right? And if you want, here you can put 0 also. Now after this, what we'll have to do, we have to subtract this term from this polynomial. So x cube minus x cube will get 0, and minus thrice x square minus 0 will get minus 3x square. Then this part you just see how to subtract. Coefficient of x, here it is plus 5. We are subtracting, for that one minus sign you give. Then coefficient of x, here it is minus 2. Be careful. Many students will do mistake. They will tell the answer is 3, but it's not 3. 5 minus minus plus 2. So answer is equal to 7. So what we'll get here? Plus 7x. And this term will come down, minus 3. Okay, now this is the dividend. Okay, and the first term is minus 3x square. Now to get minus 3x square, we have to multiply x square by what? As I told you, divide this term by x square now. Minus 3x square by x square. What will get? Minus 3. That means here it will be minus 3. Right. Now minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Then minus 2 into minus 3. Minus minus sign will be plus, so it will be plus 6. I think you have understood. If you are not able to do, you can write like this, x square minus 2 into minus 3. So you'll get minus 3x square minus minus plus 6. right? Now like before, you have to subtract. This minus this will be 0. This minus nothing is there means 1 0 you can put here, so it will be same 7x. Now minus 3, be careful, minus 3 minus 6, this is plus 6 means 6, so minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Clear? Now you have to see, all of you know, you have to go on dividing a polynomial unless and until the degree of the remainder is less than that of the degree of the divisor. Now degree of this polynomial is 1 and degree of the divisor is 2. That means we have to stop now. Clear? So now we'll write, therefore this is quotient, this is quotient. So quotient equal to x minus 3 and remainder equal to 7x minus 9. Very simple. I think all of you have understood. Let us take one more. Divide minus x cube plus thrice x square minus thrice x plus 5 by minus 1 plus x minus x square. So this is dividend here and this is the divisor. As I told you, at first you will have to check whether the dividend and divisor both are in standard form or not. Now as we have seen, the dividend is already in its standard form, that is 3, 2, 1, 0, power of the variables. But the divisor is not in its standard form. Okay, so we'll have to write it in standard form. How we'll write? First this minus x square, then plus x. We are not going to change the sign here, simply we are going to change the order, then minus 1. Now this is in standard form. Now we are going to divide like before. Now to get minus x cube, we have to multiply minus x square by what? As you know, we are going to check minus x cube by minus x square. Minus minus cancel, answer is equal to x. So we have to put x here. So minus x square into x is minus x cube. Now this x we have to multiply by these two terms also. X into plus x, it will be plus x square, right below the like terms. Then x into minus 1, it will be minus x. Very simple. If you're facing difficulty, you can write like this also, minus x square plus x minus 1 into x. Then you write the answer here, minus x cube plus x square minus x. Very simple. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. So this minus this is always equal to 0, you remember. Now coefficient of x square, here it is 3, so 3 we are subtracting, for that one minus sign, and coefficient of x square, here it is 1, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, so it will be 2x square. Very simple. Now here coefficient of x is minus 3 with sign, minus 3 we are subtracting, for that one minus sign, coefficient of x is again minus 1, right in bracket. Very important, plus 1, so which is equal to minus 2, so it will be minus 2x. Now this term will come down, plus 5. Okay, now in this polynomial the first term is 2x square, so to get 2x square we have to multiply minus x square by what? We have to find out. Now 2x square you divide by minus x square. Now x square cancel, answer is minus 2. So here it will be minus 2. Okay, so it will be, first term will be 2x square, then minus 2 into plus x, so it will be minus twice x. then minus 2 into minus 1. Minus sign will be plus. So 2 ones are 2. Now again, like before, we are going to subtract it from this polynomial. This minus this 0. Now you can check. This minus this also will be 0. I'll show you. Coefficient of x is what here? Minus 2. We are subtracting for that one minus sign, and coefficient of x here it is minus 2. So we are getting minus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 0. Now finally 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So simple, you just see. So you write quotient equal to x minus 2 and remainder equal to 3. Very simple. So one last question we have taken, divide this polynomial by x square plus thrice x plus 1. So here we have seen both the polynomials dividend and divisor are in standard form. Okay, so we are going to divide now. I'm not going to show you the division part now. By now you have become expert, what I feel. Okay, now first term of the dividend is 3x power 4 and this is x square. Now to get 3x power 4, we have to multiply x square by 3x square. If you are facing difficulty, you can do by dividing. So it will be 3x power 4. Now 3x power 4 we have to multiply by thrice x. Now numeral we have to multiply with the numeral. So it will be 3 3s are 9. X into x square is x cube. So it will be plus 9x cube. Now 3x square into plus 1, so it will be plus 3x square. I think all of you have understood. Now next we are going to subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. This minus this, as I told you, it will be 0 always. Now coefficient of x cube is 5 here, 5 minus 9. So answer is equal to minus 4. So it will be minus 4x cube. Now coefficient of x square is minus 7. We are subtracting for that one minus sign. Coefficient of x square is plus 3. So it will be minus 10. So it will be minus 10x square. And other two terms will come down. So plus twice x plus 2. Right? Now the first term is minus 4x cube. Minus 4x cube, to get minus 4x cube we have to multiply x square by what? As you know, just divide if you find any difficulty by x square. So it will be minus 4x. So minus 4x. So this will become minus 4x cube. And other two terms also we have to multiply by minus 4x. So thrice x into minus 4x. You can check if you find any difficulty like this you can do. So it will be 4 3s are minus 12, x into x is x square. So minus 12x square. Clear? Now minus 4x into plus 1 will be minus 4x. Very simple. Now again, this minus this will be 0. Now coefficient of x square, here it is with sign minus 10. Minus 10, we are subtracting for that one minus sign. Coefficient of x square is minus 12. Now minus 10 plus 12, which is equal to 2. So it will be 2x square. Very simple. Coefficient of x is 2 here. So 2 subtracting, so minus, coefficient of x is what here? Minus 4. So it will be 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So it will be plus 6x then plus 2. Isn't it interesting? Then now to get 2x square we have to multiply x square by what? This is very simple. It will be plus 2. So this will become 2x square. Then this 2 we have to multiply by thrice x. So it will be 3 2s are 6x, then 2 ones are plus 2. Now you just see this polynomial is equal to this polynomial. So this minus this 0, this minus this 0, this minus this 0. So remainder is equal to 0. So at last you'll write quotient equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 2. And remainder equal to 0. Now let me tell you one more thing. Whenever the remainder is equal to 0, then what we can say? X square plus thrice x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Clear? Whenever the remainder is equal to 0, first polynomial means for here means the divisor will be the factor of the dividend. Clear? If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest CBSE updates and many other educational interesting videos. Till then, bye-bye, take care and keep smiling.